What I'm going to show you in this video is how to create your overall property boundary meets and bounds legal description. So this blue line here that I've got highlighted is my parcel. Now, if you go over to your Prospector tool space and you click on sites, you'll see overall. You keep clicking down, you'll see there's all the parcels. Now, I want to create a legal description only on what's highlighted in blue. So I'm going to come over here, I'm going to right click, and it's going to allow me to say move to a site or copy to a site. Well, I'm going to copy this because I only want this parcel on a specific site. So I'm going to copy to a site, and what pops up is it says destination is site. So I'm going to pull this down and say create new. And when I do that, it's going to allow me to create a new site. I'm going to call this boundary description. Or actually, let me call it legal description. Legal description. Everything else is going to stay the same with this. Apply and OK, and then click OK. What comes up is now underneath sites, you have legal description. Now that I have the legal description, what I'm going to come over and do is go down to Toolbox. I go to Toolbox and I go to my Report Manager. Underneath Parcels, you'll have Meets and Bounds. Right click on Meets and Bounds and hit Execute. When you do that, all this data comes up. This is all this, I call it smart data in your project. Click this button to clear everything because we don't want everything a description on. So I'm just going to collapse these. Okay, we want to look underneath site. So underneath site, I'm going to collapse overall. I want the legal description on the site. I don't want it on the alignments, I only want it on the parcels. So notice that I only have this parcel checked, parcel 1, underneath my legal description. I click OK, and what happens is I'll get a HMTL file. So I'm just going to call it legal description. Make sure you know where you're saving it. So I'm going to put this on my desktop for right now. Okay, so I'm going to say save. And what pops up is looks like a website page. It's still thinking. There we go. Now, this is your legal description. You could have put this information in at the beginning of the project, but all I really care about is this point right here. So I'm going to highlight it, Control C. So I'm hitting the Control button on my keyboard, and C for Control Copy. And then I'm going to go back to my drawing. And I can come over here and hit Control V for Control Paste. Control on the keyboard, V, and that'll allow me to paste it. Now there's my legal description. Now, I don't like lowercase letters, so I'm going to double click on the inside and get this to activate so I can change the text. Well, it's thinking. There we go. So I'm going to highlight everything. Double click. I'm going to highlight everything, right click, and I'm going to change case to uppercase. Double click, and then I'm set. There's my legal description for the overall project. This is what you'll be using for your legal description on your project. If you did it with all the other parcels, it may give you errors in the legal description. All right, that's it for this video.